Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to remove the watermark, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now, simply choose the option that you want to use, that is video, photo or collage. I'll simply select the video option. Now, choose the video that you want to edit and remove watermark from and click here to add it to your timeline. And as you can see, there is a watermark of InShot over my video. To remove it, simply click on the cross icon on that watermark. Now you'll see two options here, that is to upgrade InShot to Pro version or to watch an ad for free remove. Here, I'll simply click on free remove. And just like that, we have removed watermarks from our video in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.